Today, to our beloved Father, I reached by taking Bhog. As I reached the subtle region, so I saw they were very beautiful. There was a gathering, very beautiful gathering in the subtle region. Then Baba emerged another view. Baba said that today is Guru Purnima. So the devotees of this world they used to go to their gurus and used to offer. And on the other hand, where Baba had emerged the beautiful gathering, Baba showed that Shiv Baba is an incorporeal being, and on them and in this world they used to offer leaves and flowers on the lingam, Shiva Lingam, and they used to offer lot of bhog to them. When Bap and Dada combined, they used to accept the bhog. So Baba said that on today's special occasion of Guru Purnima, and in world, today's day is considered to be very important. And your children also, from Amrit Vela onwards, all the children sent lot of love to Bap Dada since Amrit Vela. Some children were saying Namaste, some were saying Salam. Baba said that in this world, corporeal world, that your corporeal guru will give you what he can only for this limited birth. But the one who takes you from this iron age to the golden age is the only one unlimited Father can do for us. Nor any other corporeal gurus can do this. So Baba said all this very lovingly. As Shiv Baba is an incorporeal being, but even Brahma Bap was also looking full of bright energy and beautiful white lights were filled in it. Bap Dada asked, Brahma Bap asked, that who followed Shiv Baba's teachings in a number one way. He said it was Brahma Bap, because what Shiv Baba gave us, no one else can give us in this world. Then I informed to Baba that couples are coming for this bhatti. Then Baba said, these pairs, these yugals, they unite and stay lovingly with each other and make fruitful this confluence age. So today Baba is seeing all the people who have came for bhatti. So on today's occasion, Baba is giving lot of love and remembrance to all the children. Then the bhog that was in front of Bap Dada, he accepted it very lovingly. And in Satal region, there were lot of bhog thalis decorated in a beautiful manner. Then by taking God's love and remembrance, I came to the corporeal world. Om Shanti.